It's your boy Paul from Darkside AutoLab. We finally finished the Honda Element. So let me go through what we did with it. First thing we did was powder coat the valve cover. It's a little dirty. We'll clean it up in a little bit. Cowboy painted the engine cover. We did a little refresh on this vehicle. The power steering lines were brittle, so they were leaked. The return lines were replaced. Then we obviously replaced the power steering fluid. So right in front where the grill is, we put in a 20-inch light bar integrated. Can you see it? All right. Put in the new yellow fog lights for them, so it makes it look like it's OEM plus. So give me a second. Let me start up the car. You got keys? You'll go to front, and then I'm gonna turn them on. Yo, watch your eyes. I'm gonna switch the light bar on. It looks nice. So when the car came in, also it needed new rotors and brakes, so we did that on there. The axle was kind of leaking. We changed it to a brand new axle. Put in a new radio. This is one of the Amazon ones, and it works surprisingly well. So you can see this one actually has buttons. A lot of people complain that these Amazon ones don't have buttons. It has a volume button right here, as you can see, and it works pretty good. There's also an SD card reader in here if you pull it out. This also has the backup camera. So let me show you that. As an older vehicle, we can put the backup camera in there. And this does have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. We also put in the dash cam on here. It has front and rear. Let's see, everything looks, oh, the hood is up. That's why I was wondering why it would look like that. All right, so it has the camera in the rear and it has the camera in the front. I forgot, we also changed the VVT solenoid. And the thing with a VVT solenoid is that don't buy the aftermarket ones. Get the Honda ones. I know they're expensive. Buy one and cry once. All right, guys?
I'm dialing in. Just count it up. Another win. Can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a clay for my love. Pisces, I live in a lake and I love it. Golden, yeah, I got the swing with the club. Hole in one. Where I'm at, you need
Peace.
another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in. Just count it up.